Yemgini Bapunamaku, Sharatchandra Sharma Impact News Game, Manung Taram Noxering. As a Manung topic say indefinite shutdown of National Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. Haibadi, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University say Marwana Makan village, the Lebanese some Harakanda, Amar Kentucky headquarter the control to Watukumba regional campus ne Manipur legislation Aduga regional campus say Hantaki Lady no regional campus say Haokhomang Mamang Numit Karanisdagi. Shutdown, total shutdown. Haibadi mapung adi pura completely thingjanba thingjali maram se student body na thingjan mane madudi makoigi lack of faculties, even lack of infrastructure. Aduga student ki karigi low bukanda admission fresh admission low ki karigi magi percentage ki karigi matang sida punna grievances mayam sin se pukla kanda demand se pu demand se phangdribo ki ekoi university campus se thingjalani haiba aduguma demand duni aduga demand sing se karai phau changjandori aduga kayam kuina hairiba Indira Gandhi National Tribal University se Manipur Regional Center Manipur Makhan ki se kayam kuina thingdana leidori sam haira kanda fresh student long nanwagi koi entrance test ki kari so hayeng da ngaire mangda tan lere kayam kuina changjandori entrance test ki kari sing se effect ogador haibi matang da punna khana janaba tanjani lor nengjam berber ke sing de agi yet thing phambiri base Haokhomang Chongloi, President Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Student Union Regional Campus Manipur ni ai Chongloi bihan hana taram noksari. Aduga Chongloi oi dilengin phamise Isaac L Songate PRO Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Student Union ni Regional Campus Manipur ni ai Isaac pusu taram noksari. Aduga hi ata thangna phamine je base Khogendra Khomdram jete Sangai Express ni tamu khom taram noksari. First of all, just I want to come to Haokhomang Chongloi. Now indefinite strike is on, indefinite shutdown. You declare indefinite shutdown until and unless the authority met your demand. What are the main demands from your student community side to the authority?
Sir, actually, this university, tribal university, mainly established for the tribal peoples for higher studies and for research purpose. But since its inception in 2009 till then, there is everything is like the basic need infrastructures which are required by the students, IGNTUSU students, are not fulfilled. We have been demanded the VC, who is in Amarkantak, the center of IGNTU, demanding various grievances and problems faced by the IGNTU RCM. But till then he don't give a good response that the student wants it. That's why the agitation starts up. The objective of this agitation, objective agitation to matang se point number 1 that no clear-cut reservation of quota in recruitment of teaching and non-teaching staff.
Okay. And another is
point the high go sir.
Yeah, please.
Okay. Point number 2 the lack of teaching faculty and administrative staff. Shortcut the high go sir.
Please.
The university has been functioning since 2009. As per the University Act of 2007, but unfortunately there is lack of permanent teaching faculties in every existing department. Particularly, there is no even a single permanent faculties in both tribal studies and sociology till now. But only guest faculty, which is real discrimination against the student community and tribal people in general, being a tribal university. So we demanded immediate recruitment of teaching faculty and administrative staff without further delay.
That was the main demand from your side.
Yeah, there was the point number 2. That point number 3, I'll go by point.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay.
Point number 3 the amount of admission, course fee charged by the student, charged to the students very high.
Very high.
Okay. And point number 3 there is no accurate reservation policy for tribal student in admission process. There is no clear-cut process. We don't know what reservation policy is following admission.
So far as admission is concerned, which guideline is following by this regional Center Regional Campus Manipur still not knowing how.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yes, I'll come back to again Chongloi, no problem. In the other round. Takoin Maruna, Lady Film 2009 established over here. Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Regional Campus Manipur se Amarkantak ki headquarter room the Masiki BC ki Makadi control to Patugumba campus ni some Harakanda. 2009 established over 2000 Hanbati Adinjam Tiki Genoda attest Oroga classes in Kashing Toromani. Then again permanent campus se Makhan village 25 kilometers from Impal Nidamo. Sathar is 2013 so I did a permanent campus Kanoto. He hope with the somewhere Gradoma in practice that he can de teaching faculty they can de what Walagadum like Bagi mummy during a sitari.
Sir Masi was a particular case ki one of the Manipur Leva emergency tabak on the Lloyd Tower. Central Institute Kandi State Institute Kandi Magi the car level infrastructure is tumbling the Hana, the Hosenba. Machiki and Disima. Wait, the Agate of the Bisua at the Manipur, the Hoki was a cressida at the young person. Ure. Was it high do Ahamba campus Makandale, Makan 25 kilometers, am Lapalamate. I do say the Adam Zatida Hore. Hoy Adu was a day 2013 Hong had it. Quite again, no I tribute. I was subscribed the Congress, boys, girl hostel, personal level. I see hostel, she University Regional Center, Mahang, hostel Thundavai, must say, Yam Jugachada upon ever. I think teaching faculty, permanent of our whole lady, I see the tar with some puggy man, but some Manipur, Pakto, Yani, and I do. Adumali Kalega and Maming Toga Tongo Yaniga and Kanbi Mondo Manjaleva. Near Nega some Tony the guest lecturer in a wire Tony and Tole with the University of Regional Center Mazu Handoga. The Maito was the capacity. Tabak was the Hatu Hogrobozu, the Carle with the Gimatugina faculty Hakadavani, the staff sing the Karaba, Lenabaki, Mutikjana Tangadava. 2009, the 2018, I almost 9 years of puzzle of never. She walked the University Center, Amagi Regional Center, Amagi Chapchava, among the later way these hatters in my reaching the whole of Pai City, Masana Tavaneva. My reaching say, Madurigi higher studies, the Pange, Koki and Lakpani, Madu Pangbugi Kutong Javado, the electro way, Madu Satan, Iran, Horpada, Madu, Madu Lale, and Hanganite. Though Masi Marine authorities in Jena. Mase Hui Kangdin, say Manipur in a tower, the Hui Manipur, Iran Horaka, the Tabak local point the tower, Iran Hogdring the Hana, Masisumaka, the Sanjila, they call it as a Kanga, when a Tabak, the way Tabak say, I the Song authority, he got the Manipur, the Malonabak, so I know the way more layable. City am some day, faculty members, Batikana Tangadavani staff, the teaching staff at the Batikana Tangadavani. The Kutak to learn among them, step by step, Hapagadam never. The Giamu, which had a Ming Janbagi reservation policy, the Karambano, suddenly no Kangdi. Reservation, you were talking Manipur, we am like that, Manipur citizens of the Toki. Chumbagi, what talk my am, the talk about Anna, what about Sumeva, the Hojiti, student union, the indefinite, block, I can waiting to let him. So the Mangja do is Canada know the Hogi Satters in the knee, Manipur, Mahiro in the knee. Mahiro in the Mang by say, Mahiro is it to Yumbilo, where the Mang by a society as a whole, society is Mang whenever. Manipur Mang by the Agis Mang when the Petrivion so much in Manga whenever. Mahiro carrier the Mangan by the Pudamaki Mang money. As the Sumba Mang of Pium talked about Marilyn about authorities in the Messiah Cano to it. I think Yakogi, what say to Duna. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯊꯧ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯕꯝꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯍ꯭ꯌꯨꯃꯦꯟ ꯔꯤꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯗ ꯇꯛꯅꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯁꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯔꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯒꯤꯗ ꯅꯠꯇꯅ ꯃꯄꯥꯟꯗꯩꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯒ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯇꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ
with the complete infrastructure regional center Manipur
ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯆꯨꯝꯃꯦ
ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕ ꯆꯨꯝꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯤ yes state government ꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ control ꯇꯧꯕ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ state government yes can intervene if time is just time is coming. It's a very high time to intervene by the Manipur government also. If they want, they can intervene. Have some yes, Isaac. according to you, Menoina Nasagi Indira Gandhi National Tribal University resident campus Manipur say had established over the lack of infrastructure, lack of faculties, say Adum Loina Lak Russian some Narikanda. And what is your saying that the without completion of this infrastructure, hostel facility, even permanent faculty, Hogan give up, start class Hogan give a coach keeper Mayam Singh say, hey, and that is the only reason still you are facing mainly the student community of this university.
Yes, okay. To answer to that point, I would like to highlight a bit of how all this agitation sprung up. Okay,
please go ahead.
Okay, we have put up memorandums multiple times. We have forwarded to the Ministry of HRD and to every concerned authority and to the Vice Chancellor multiple times. And even within this year, we have submitted twice, and we got no response at all. Pakum pibirak taba. Aduga. Akoina sounding ba high gadra pen daba amana. Akoina memorandum say April 23rd handaki submit tawjaki bane forwarded to all concerned authorities, and then we gave a stipulated time. We asked the VC to give at least a reply within a stipulated time. That is still 30th April. So we got no response at all, and then we had to take up this agitation. So agitation se paikhat la bane. Aduna akoi gidi akoi na tawam thokpa tawjabane haiba tare akoi gi phamam thokpa do PBO haiba gi wane ba adu akoi na kwai gi pendabano the VC has been neglecting our grievances. No positive response at all, and then we received response only after we started the agitation. It's like this. So the thing is, we received that through the registrar of the VC. We received that the VC is considering all this and that and all. But there is no clear-cut and solid assurance that our problems will be taken care of. Aduna akoy na hojik ki se hayeng gi hangchit ki boycott entrance test we are boycotting this, and we are appealing to all the aspiring candidates not to come for the entrance exam, because if any untoward incidents happen, they have to bear the consequences, because we are compelled to do so. Akoy na tawning bagi tawge tawbasu na chadeba moina. If they had responded in time, then we will not take up this agitation. So what I want to say is, regarding these issues that's coming up in IGNTU RCM, it has been ongoing since its inception, 2009. We can see that the new campus was occupied just last year, right? Last year, the campus was shifted from Adim Jati to Makhan. Only last year. So the thing is, there is the campus, but then the students are lacking a lot of things. I would like to highlight some of the facilities that are lacking. Okay.
Before coming to that, just I want to know from you that as your agitation is on, and you already said that until and unless there is no agitation, then authority are not giving any kind of response.
Yes, exactly.
If you started agitation, you also got a response from the authority. What is the present response from the authority side?
The present response is that it's quite funny though. No offense to the authority, but
yeah, you please mention.
Yeah, it is stated through the registrar. So the first line itself is very insulting. Please listen. Dear students, in the light of your representation submitted to Honorable Minister, we would like to bring to our notice the following. So it says, in the light of your representation submitted to Honorable Minister. They swung into action only after this ministry forwarded our letter to them.
I see.
Yeah. The thing is, we also submitted the memorandum and our demands directly to the VC also. So the VC did not respond at all, but they, after our agitation started, and according to what the ministry recommended, forwarded our demands. Only after that, adugi matung da kak moy na si response at habirak paneba.
Okay.
So it's very insulting, right? The VC did not want to entertain our demands.
I see. Tawin taseng mating ngasigi Manung huna si ngasigi indefinite shutdown of National Indira Gandhi National Tribal University ki matang se shutdown ki matang se akoi na yes student community ki side ki president yaw pi re aduga PRO yaw re taseng mati authority ki side te su ama yaw no bhai jabani ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗꯗꯤ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯣꯟꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯃꯅꯨꯡ ꯍꯨꯠꯄ ꯌꯧꯔꯝꯗꯥꯏꯒꯤ 11 ꯑꯣꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯃꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯝ ꯁꯝꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯌꯣꯅ ꯕꯥꯔꯇꯣꯟ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯏꯟꯚꯥꯏꯠ ꯇꯧꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯁꯣ ꯗꯦꯠ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯕꯖꯥꯠꯅꯣ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯅ ꯐꯦꯀꯜꯇꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯀꯃꯦꯟ ꯄꯤꯅꯤꯡꯕꯖꯥꯠꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯂꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯕꯦꯂꯦꯟꯁ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯏꯗꯤꯌꯥꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯤꯗꯕꯅꯤ and at the same time Haokhomang Chongloi today in the morning also at around 12 in the noon just I call up the regional campus Manipur director Ramjivan Singh Thakur he just given me the reason that just at that time I also wanted to have some comment from him but the response from him was he was very busy in the meeting he won't be able to give time so requested me to give some more time my question is did you have any meeting with the authority including the director regional campus Manipur today
Sir, yeah, we have a meeting just after the yesterday agitation also, but we cannot come into conclusion since they are not able to fulfill our demands. And this morning, they call us again for meeting. We have a meeting out there in hotel, in Far Hotel, na? Okay. There we have, but he was unable to fulfill our demands. That's why we cannot still come into conclusion. What we want is that let the VC come and solve or settle the problem of the student of IGNTUSU RCM. Unless and until the VC come and step in the IGNTUSU RCM, you won't step down for agitation. We'll go ahead. So that was we replied to the director.
So your primary demand is also the BC to visit the faculty. The
Sir, actually, according to the guidelines in the Act, the VC should visit once in every 3 months. But he never visited since last year. That's why we request him many times, at least to visit once. Till then, he don't come. He don't care for. He neglect our request.
So the rules and regulations which has been let down, just advise him, suggested him to visit the faculty just for every 3 months.
Yes, sir.
ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯤ ꯊꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯕꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯦ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕꯅꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯐꯥꯔꯁ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯃ ꯌꯥꯎꯕꯤꯅꯤꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯝꯃꯒ 11 ꯑꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯧꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯕ ꯉꯝꯃꯔꯣꯏ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯜ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯖꯥꯠꯂꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯅꯦꯛꯁꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ BCꯁꯤꯅ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯚꯔꯁꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯖꯅꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯁꯤ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯍꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯀꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯇꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯊꯥ ꯑꯍꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ 90 ꯗꯦꯖꯀꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯝꯗꯧꯔꯤ ꯐꯦꯀꯜꯇꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯁꯦ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯁꯤ ꯑꯦꯖ ꯑꯦ BC ꯑꯩ ꯌꯦꯡꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯁꯨꯡ ꯌꯦꯡꯕꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯤꯅ ꯇꯥꯟꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯆꯨꯝꯅꯒꯤ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯗꯨ ꯐꯨꯜꯐꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯣꯖꯤꯇꯤꯚ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯈꯟꯅꯁꯤ ꯌꯦꯡꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡ ꯁ꯭ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯏꯛ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯍꯧꯅꯗꯦꯕ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯄꯦꯜꯂꯛꯇꯕ ꯍꯦꯜꯂꯛꯑꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯖꯪꯁꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯈꯟꯅꯕꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯁꯥꯏꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈꯤꯗꯨꯅꯦꯕ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯦꯀꯜꯇꯤ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯗꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯍꯥꯞꯄ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯉꯝꯁꯨ ꯉꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯂꯞ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯑꯦꯗꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯇꯧꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯥꯐ ꯅꯨꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯔꯦꯡ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯝꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯅꯍꯥꯟ ꯍꯣꯡꯉꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩ 2013ꯗ ꯍꯣꯡꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ 2017ꯗ ꯍꯣꯡ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯏꯌꯥꯔ ꯈꯛꯇ ꯍꯣꯡꯕꯅꯦ 2009ꯗꯒꯤ ꯂꯤꯡꯈꯠꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯗꯤ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯑꯁꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯨꯞꯁꯜꯂꯒ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯤꯛ ꯇꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯐꯪꯗꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯌꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯆꯨꯝꯗꯦꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯑꯦꯖꯤꯇꯦꯁꯟ ꯆꯪꯍꯟꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯍꯩꯔꯣꯏꯁꯤꯡ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯥꯡꯁꯨ ꯈꯟꯊꯅꯤꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯊꯣꯔꯤꯇꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯐꯥꯒꯤꯗꯧꯅ ꯂꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯗ ꯏꯟꯁꯜ ꯇꯧꯕꯗꯧꯅ ꯔꯤꯄ꯭ꯂꯥꯏ ꯄꯤꯔꯛꯑꯒ tumina lebagumba
Right.
adusu hek manipur de chanabada irang horakanda reply lakpagumba adi adu unaji having tawbase si film sidi aidi yam phajadi na khali adu yari moi disi authority sing aidi HRD na hena kanna miyeng chahaningi adi akhoi state government de gisu state government de basai di yam akan pressure ma piraga masi khar mong ta na thamna ba masi khoi manipur da university maya ma dem college dem university oini adigi rasa prasul likhat kani ma likhat kani na ya ma tawri ba ko adu si film na sajum thamaga faculty members leitaba infrastructure leitaba chhatra dang palo da loba adu di aidi chunde na khale adi sai chhatra singi demand da admission fee da pangwang da wang bagumba sumba tawbase khoi maroina tribal mahiroi singi oina tawbani ada admission fee pangwang da wang tawbase di ai chumde ado yari moi disi authority concern and the government na masi serious view ma roina na masi edi thau la pra
very high time ne duga tak na masi swai se silent spectator oina
Chum
lebi
lebi
aro
aro.
batam chana timely response pibam sangani aduga yam serious hoy matter ni university camp adi regional campus manipur gi Indira Gandhi National Tribal University campus ma shutdown tor poise
class 3 4 gi light tab
natte hoy asi is a very serious matter ni aduga yam thun miyang jangmum thoi yes manipur da maroina loi phatana inauguration tok thokpa loi phatana sanga ba hongjan gi ba leisu letana pangya da yanen tok gi badugi amorom da herdi madugi khudam amni sam sam na re kan Indira Gandhi National Tribal University da ngasi tariba leiriba phibam se sam sam yes
fatana hojun bai ko ta ka le hojolo yare ba fatana su adum horo ba class horo ba
so loi da honga su you have enough time
the time 2009 dagi ne 2009 dagi oji 18 ne ba
They go on giving us empty promises. Pigani, tauri. It's on the process. How long does one process takes?
Actually
9 years, 10 years.
many lot questions are still arising. Yeah, I'm
regarding
going
that,
first of all, after the break, just I want to come to Isaac.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me come to you after the short break. Break in matunga impact news ki manu huna yengbire from the thuna putru laksage impact news miyang tadru lebiyo. Break in matunga yengbire puna makpu amko na taram noksari. Isaac, taking into the consideration of like right to education and creating a very peaceful atmosphere in the campus. My question is, don't you have any kind of other alternative options instead of this shutting down of the whole university campus so that the academic atmosphere of the this university should remain distant?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is a very serious matter. Actually, as I've stated clearly, we didn't want this agitation to take place at the first place. This is our last option. What we have was that we forwarded our memorandum. We wanted the VC to respond, give us a positive response. Okay, at least he could tell us that we will deal with that, we will deal with this. Okay, and we are asking him to come, which is his duty. He must fulfill his duty. He should come to the regional campus, meet with the students and discuss the problem. By doing that, he could have avoided this agitation. So right now, as we have known in our land, until and unless we make some sound, okay, until and unless we make some sound, we are not listened to. Nobody wants to listen to us. So we need to some kind of do a democratic protest rally or something like that in order to be able to get the attention of the higher authorities and all. So unless we do that, we don't get attention. And this has been happening for every session. Every session, even last year, there was a total shutdown of the university for 1 whole month. Then the VC promised he would come and deal with it, but then the result is this, right? Nothing came out of that. It was another empty promise. So we are at a point where we are compelled. We are compelled to take up this
Mamang da
agitation.
memorandum mayam pigre
Pigre.
notice mayam to
Yes,
gre
yes.
adubu mokoina swaide yengbirakta banina student kanoni Indira Gandhi National Tribal University ki regional campus Manipur student body se tumine lebe yaraktre.
Yaraktre.
Yes, there is no option remain
Yes,
except this shutting down agitation hybrid some narakanda. Chongloi maroina how do you see the whole matter? Is it you are raising at some point like a lacking of infrastructure, lacking of this permanent faculties? sometimes I myself feel like it's a very gross negligence from the authorities side as a whole. What is your reaction?
Sir, there are 5 departments right now. We have political science and human rights, master of social work, social works there, sociology, anthropology, tribal studies, MCA is there. See, sir. Only we have permanent teacher of political science, social work, and MCA. We have permanent teacher. But these sociology, anthropology, and tribal studies, it was introduced in 2013. It's already 5 years, sir. We don't have any permanent faculties. This is when we look in this matter, it's total negligence of the VC.
Gross negligence from the authorities side. Now when Friday, but on Saturday thinking policy. What we believe some American interaction wali even girls hostel, boys hostel, matic channel litri, RCM regional campus Manipur already 2019 established or Hamdokre, American Taki, University Makada, lady from say Masa make a gadonataba. Chop up the gross negligence, Samaki sign of Udabrasini Taki.
We Madu Ulato Ure, the Leju later whenever. Other the highness, I think some neglect of the Levitar with this Hatram and this Horopa, the Waropa, the Masana Tavaneva. And the department Ani was ever do Sahimanga, Manga Hanga, was the power faculty, a book Tabidre, other the Pedowi hanging over. Could have done or department number hang with the A faculty member, the Alice. Bhakti Hakuk to other Tabachum Brand Kaleva. Other must gross negligence, gross negligence, which is the size and higher than ever. Among the lowing gum drink, Gamjum to eat, Gum drain a color out of the Cracker some Menkapa, Adigi, BC's number Tamchan and Lactana, Adigi administration Gibong, Adigi light Tammy Gimong, the departments in Kabaintori, faculty in Kabaintori, Satra Kabaintori. Nuxinana, Adigi Unadana Kotana, what is Hargabo Satraneta, Iran, Adigi Magi, I had the Bangam double able to come the Iran Horopo, Hongadeva. Ado some neglect of some lava, Adi neglect of the engine Bagimota, Amsu Pagi, some Toraba, Adu di Masana, Iran Horpatavaneva, Aduna, Masi, Aina Pambadi, Masidi, Why Satrazing Budi, Iran Hore, Adi to tell Shutdown, Arcano, put up thing and Matam Kaktana. Moi advance the address of the thing then high why Masisu thing the thing red is Masisu Yaguga Maruina concerned authorities in Jina Majiksu Iran Horabatu the Pagi don't long never not positive over Tabak Pakapagi and Makra Ulaboidi I had to do what he put the Saviani in a Kale Adultana Tawutoro the some Kali Haidara. False promise Hydra cano Tawuta with the Sumam am Torgasum Tawuti, Saturday Sau Helakani, Adigi Sumnagi, democratic or Khogendra Khomdram, violence, Oraga, Amangata, Toraga, Loinamaku and Mangja, Tokaneva.
Yes, Matam Tabaki, some Narikanda, you have taken enough time. Using action duration, translated into action duration, some Narika, Upama, he said.
At the point, action to talk with Satra you know when a talk to the Apavadi Oiroeva. I had action to see and I have the Natigo. Mangtan with Habakidi, the way talk the payable. Adubo Moina, okay, you crack to be away this Satra, and Jadam Interaga Lake, the Actam Jaraga Lake, don't never. I don't know. Can't take a hydro come there, Manipur, Honorable, Victor Sukana, Hydro. Authority Macon can talk to the Yadi.
High time, Yankan View, some response to you. Adoga, yes, normalcy over. Academic atmosphere to ma resort on view to yam to no have any Isaac Maruina is use this Makan Disneyland campus Manipur of this Indira Gandhi National Tribal University must see one of one the Satra Singh tribal at all
yeah
all are tribal students
almost 10%.
Yeah, then so far your
almost.
Demand one of your demand is concerned 99.9% for tribal student in regards of admission say Masi kamai to wono sini sam lai kan.
Okay. See, asigi matang se kara 99.9%
in the admission.
Yes, that is one of our demands, and the thing is, the university was established by an act of parliament, and its sole purpose was for the the main objective of this tribal university is to provide higher education and research facilities of tribals of India. Tribals of India. It clearly states in the Act, Gazette of India.
Okay.
So, in line with that, I think our demand is quite reasonable. 99% higher in line with the Act passed by the Parliament. I think this is very justifiable. So, we are demanding what the university was established for actually. It was not that, it was all for the tribals development that this tribal university was established.
Okay.
So in line with that, we are requesting this, and I hope the authorities will definitely look into this. And all these reservation policies, it's under the Parliament purview, we know, and we have been waiting for them to give the authority of the university. We have been waiting for them to give us a positive response that they are seriously dealing with this kind of issues that we have here. We are waiting for a positive response, and then that's the main reason we put this reservation policy that in our memorandum.
In your memorandum, so it already included the reservation for the admission, 99.9% this admission reservation. Yes. You already put on your memorandum also.
Yes.
Chongloi, I also just learned from a reliable source that the director na student gi education sing say ubakanda, if you don't want to concentrate on your study, then you please go and join something like militant groups and just take up the arms. Is it true?
Yes, sir. That's true. It's very funny and very unfortunate also, sir. We have started the agitation yesterday in front of the media, in the presence of media. He told the student that if you want this kind of protest in the university, you could go and better join the military group, militant groups, or underground, or insurgency group. That was it's very unfortunate, sir, that we have such kind of director.
You never expect such kind of unprecedented,
it's very, very unfortunate.
Comment from a very responsible director of this regional center, Manipur, of this Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. So, Songate, what was the feeling with you when you heard about all these things, and did you shock at that time?
Yeah, definitely. I was right there in front of the director. Actually, it resulted because we requested the director, we requested him to please leave the campus because the students are starting their agitation and we are going to lock the campus. So we requested the director, but then he, with his attitude and all, that very phrase was stated by him. I was standing right in front, and then there were the media persons were also there with us. Then he clearly said that very line. Okay, and then I was shocked.
Please repeat the line. You please repeat the line. I want to hear it again.
It's quite disheartening, and I'm becoming of a high authority like him, an official like him, to speak in such a manner. He said that if you are interested in this kind of activities as this protest and all, you better go and join insurgency, something like that. So I was taken aback. Okay, that kind of word coming from a leader like him, an official like him, a well-educated person like him.
Actually, why not? Director of Region Campus Manipur Indira Gandhi National Tribal University. No, it is not talk about Irang talk already. So the like them to share to insurgency group, militant group, and your no by which Tamomasi Yanan, but the coming for with
Tabia one of the Amadu Ma with the Tabi, my mamma can only Tari Adu. So the Hibin has to hide the Hibum talked about one ever. Magi Makada labor Satos in the Alo Yaw, no way by like Tamruno Havo. Satos in the Zumbi, the car, everything other Pangactor than a Khogendra Junction, Baduda, other insurgency group, the Yaw Roga and the highest Yam Tav, the Numaita, Hibum, the Hidesu, Kari ground, the Hideno, Adu Lemazia. Adu authority come to lag termina khang di khang re adu lakel au loi to the mina satra jing the wo khulai pai group to yaw gro ga na hai 하이범 통때 마도 condemn 동닝아이 오해나 이디 하이닝 마도 ям 좀더 타고네.
Okay, Jose Haokhomang Chongloi, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Student Union ki kenone Manipur Resident Campus Manipur ki President ni aduga maroina Isaac L Songate na PRO ni madudi Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Student Union Resident Campus Manipur ki and is very responsible over kenone some kanda. But still, in case director Sangai Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Manipur Resident Campus Manipur ki director amna Satra sing strike to bukanda noise my strike to do sarupudi strike am tong ba idang am saganing bala ragadi insurgency na taga militant group to yaw ro kulai pai ro haiba comment se masi tawa ya wa phom di oide sam na kada yes in case director na hairam bo ragadi director to in khambada kuina director oina puhan bada madu nungai dong wande matung do siguma comment mayam ma tholok dong wale aduga kitang ko khara wang ba haite yam thina di haning dei ko kitang wang to ba aduga academic atmosphere da chana ga wa director madi wagado mande. What is your saying, Chongloi? Such a director should not remain kept as a director for long in the institute, and it will be very harmful in the future. What is your saying?
So that's why we want immediate resignation of the director. He don't have how to speak with his student. How can he will take care of the university with a number of students? If you have that small mind, that was so funny, sir. When we listen to that word, we are so unfortunate that we have such kind of words from the director, who is the head of the university. So what we want is that he should immediately resign from his the post of director in normal grounds.
Okay, Isaac, in the recent past, in the very recent past, you already put up the matter through memorandum submitted to the higher up authorities. Did you put up this matter, the saying of this director, to the higher up authority, to the Amarkantak headquarter, Amarkantak University, regarding the directors giving a very unprecedented comment like join the militant outfit instead of going up this agitation, you better join insurgency group. Did you put up the matter to the authority?
Okay, regarding that case, it just happened recently, just yesterday. So we still have no time to forward all these issues that right now they are the very issue that we're discussing right now. We still don't have the time to put forward to the higher authorities yet. Okay.
Okay.
adu masi yam unbecoming haigadra adagi nate ichadabadi chadabane ba adu ma ji resign tawba haiba sit adum tawdasu yai adagi terminate su taw kanu ji thajade adu aina khanbadadi masi ma soigre lan gre na edits adu khantang di aidi haiba chumrai na khanleba soigre lan gre na madu ai haibam thopran khanleba adu natana madu gi do badbaina apology do tawdana sum legi boidi adu mo wahai wata do sa ju ji haigi bato sum sujna ra boidi masi pura phagi ma tahan bagumba adegi mana like awang thaki education like tamiba adegi research to riba satra mayam ji da adu mo khonda adu sujna yi na haitar boidi adudi yamna phajadaba ama sum lehorane ba adu da idi ai khanbada at this ma apology di to hum to ena khale do ma soi gre tung da sum je tholo ya ga hebam thoe adu na traga avoid concern authority ji jo adu baina ta sek na haibo boy di ai di tumin na lebadi le haning de dakra leba thok disciplinary action lokat pani khang de ka hang de adigi uji ke apology to hanmani khang de sum ji to haninge adu na tana sumaina sum hoi ai ga kana guma tumin na sum phamin na na wari sabada sum phagi wena haina bane adu satra ma am leibudu da thora ga mane he khai bai di yam phajate adudi
mongam ta de director mande sam har kan da
mande
director mande natra Chongloi aisa ko aisa is a last round of question. It's a very common question to you, Chongloi and also and Aisa also. Just you see, many people are also at the same time saying, yes, you are just shutting down the whole university campus, you are agitating, yes, demanding all, putting up all your grievances, and even sometimes you also demand the resignation of the director. At the same time, just you see, the university do have a entrance exam by tomorrow, yeah, for fresh admission. Yes. And even from many angles also, it is saying that the student bodies are taking advantage of the taking due advantage of the coming up state this situation. So they are pushing this agitation and all these things. I think so far as press admission is concerned, I think why not that you let happen this press admission test? What is your saying?
Okay, I'll answer to that. There is a saying, you have to strike while the iron is hot, right? So we can't just blindly take up our agitation. We have plans, we have strategies, we have to hit right on time. So regarding this, we are boycotting the entrance exam, I've stated before also. So the thing is, we don't want the aspiring candidates, the new students who are about to come into the university to face the same fate that we are facing. So our request is that the authorities should not conduct this entrance exam. By any means we are boycotting it. And then before solving the issues that the present students are facing, they should not let the new students come in.
Exactly. What is your saying, Chongloi? Just I think why don't you let the exam conduct for the fresh admission? And some people say that you are just taking due advantage of this situation.
So as my friends say, we don't want the new aspiring students to face the same problem that we face for a long time. That's why we are going to anyhow we are going to stop this entrance exam. So
you are saying is by halting this entrance exam, you are not doing anything harm to the fresh student. Instead, tamu hai si maroina masi moida shon ba exam tu and we okhanate lay bifim se no susanga de bayo na hamni tamu si kamai witam.
Khoi je suppi no wa na like thimai tambagi khudong cha phangdana lai no jo mu tamba phangoi da ba leirabani si film je leiraboi di aduna modi mohta hana gi leiba problem me am je solve toraga nauna phajana changsi haibani sumdi sumbi sumbi haisini kai no da 2009 ni khathi bu do ba film chadana adum leirabane ba
leire chumdre sum na ka
aduna like tambagi akoi study gi bafam am oidre haibane ba adun no swai da si marak sida awa ba mayam khong chadana mayam no yaphul la khoidong sawana da bani matam khara ngai kho sum thoki si haibane adu khadi authority gi di tongna ba hadara kani tongna ba hadara pada pam da ba tholok pi hai adu bu ain khan ba di mana satra mayam ne irang taw dana swai taw le di ai thoki gi dra khoki dra khalle adu ai kano da chongloi da jo han bu kari ba si akoi awat pasing se tama taw ne mention la ni han experience pi da di dom taw
okay we are waiting for the VC to step in. Please, we are requesting the VC to please come down here and sit down with us and discuss the issue. That's the first primary thing that we are asking for. If he comes and if he can give us a solid assurance that our problems will be dealt with as soon as possible, then boycott agitation
yes, exactly.
We are not totally stopping this.
In a fortnight our infrastructure to heta in a fortnight our faculty to in a fortnight the hostel yes, you should give a very
they have been delaying this for a very long time now. So this time we are not taking chances anymore until and unless we get a solid assurance from the VC himself. Then we will not stop our agitation.
Okay, so from my side, what I have to say is that you, in case any kind of meeting is called up, then you please attend and try to bring a very amicable end, so that the atmospheric, peaceful atmospheric, academic atmosphere can be restored in the Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, Makhan Regional Center, Manipur. Chongloi aduga Isaac aduga tamo huin ngasi big news issue adu lakbiba adu ngasi manung na se mapung phan bagi dam tan losela khote kai khonu jiriba guest house mako am kon thagat chari ngasi ke tamta big news ki manung na matang solution jana tan jai role adu lamdam se tholiba thodo wa thok kya gi mari chumba report ke damak impact news mi henta adu lebiu